Hi students, welcome to our channel Physics Concepts by Ali sir. How are you all of you? And I hope that everybody is fine. In the today's session, we are going to discuss about one of the topic of the 10th standard, that is refraction of light. In this today's session, we are going to discuss about then how the focal length is changing. Means either the focal length is constant in all the mediums or is it changing depending upon the medium. One of the very important question this is. What we are going to discuss is then the relation between the focal length and medium. If medium changing, focal length also changing or not changing. Generally, the focal length of any lens will be changed according to the medium. How that is changing? Now let us see. So this question will be asked you in this one of the very important 4 marks question. The question will be asked you, explain by means of a neat sketch where the focal length of the lens is changing according to the medium. That experiment we are going to discuss. And here is what is that topic is we are going to discuss. Then changing of focal length of a lens. Focal length of a lens with respect to the medium. With respect to the medium. If medium changing, how the focal length will be changed? Now let us see that. It's very simple one, easily we can identify this one. So for this one what we have to do? First of all, take any one lens and let it be a known focal length. Known focal length you take, means you take one lens whose focal length is So here is so first what you have to do, and take any one black stone. Let us take this is any one black stone we have taken, and afterwards with the help of then what do we call this is we are calling as lens holder. Lens holder this is. In this lens holder we have placed the lens here, and see from this lens this object, and then you can see, for example, you are able to see, and the distance where you have to see the lens means this is just like it will be appears down will be down, the bottom it will be a curved shape, and so that what we can see clearly like this. Okay, and once when you are looking from this side now, then what will happen, and we can see the object clearly at some certain height. Let's assume that is 10 centimeter, means the focal length of this lens is 10 centimeters. So we have taken the one lens, that lens is focal length is 10 centimeters, means from the object the lens distance is we can see the object clearly from 10 centimeters to the object to the lens. Okay, we got this is the focal length of the lens in the air, isn't it? Because no medium is there, in sense what can we consider? Generally air is the medium, and so focal length of this lens in the air is 10 centimeters. Okay, now let's take any one beaker. Take a beaker, and this is a beaker, and in this beaker, and take the beaker that will be 4 times bigger than the focal length of the lens. So here is now let us take 4 times, in sense approximately how much you will take? 4 into 10, that is equal to 40 centimeter height. Let us take this one. The beaker size is 40 centimeters, and afterwards just pour inside the water. Pour inside the water. So what is this one? This is water. Now take the same stone, and this stone you place again here. You place the same stone here. So you are placing the stone here. So what you have to do now? This side is, now you take the lens, and with the help of lens stand, you take the through lens stand, and now see right from the top of the, here is right from here, you keep your eye and see. Now the distance is between these two is 10 centimeters. Very beginning, how much is that? This is 40 centimeters is height of the beaker. So this is a 40 centimeters height, and so distance between these two is now that is 10 centimeters. Okay, now very beginning you arrange the lens in such a way the distance between these two is 10 centimeters. Okay, you can see the object very clearly. Now gradually increase the height of the lens from the object. Okay, the lens, you increase the height of the lens means you just gradually take up the lens. So then what will happen, nearly till 15 centimeters for example, let's take till 15 centimeter you can see the object clearly. You can see very clearly the object, very clearly you can see the object. Okay, and again you extend the height, so maybe approximately till 20 centimeters. Now we can see object very clearly. Then afterwards you cannot see the object clearly. Means what is that, now the focal length of the lens in water, what is this one, this is water, medium changed, isn't it? And here is what is the medium, here is the air is the medium. And what is the medium here, here is a water is the medium. See here what happened in the water in medium, then the focal length here in the air only we can see till 10 centimeters only, but once when are placing in water we are able to see till 20 centimeter the object very clearly. Means what is that, the focal length is increased in the water, isn't it? Because how can we say here is focal length 10 only, but here is focal length is nearly approximately, I am telling you, not exactly, that is increased 20 centimeters means increased, no. So by means that what can we conclude, that focal length of the lens is changing according to the medium. Medium to medium it is changing, it is not a constant. Did you understand that? In this way, just this is the simple experiment where we can prove that the focal length of the lens is not a constant, that is changing from the medium to medium. Okay, now this is one of the very important essay question. Okay, I hope that this session is helpful for you. Please support me, Nana. Wish you all the best.